Phil Brown here, Vans Manager at Star Motors Mercedes, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the all-new eSprinter. One of the main differences between the diesel and the electric sprinters is, of course, have an electric engine. And to charge it, our Mercedes-Benz logo opens up and there's your charging port. If you've ever looked in the back of a Sprinter, you'll recognize this one. Everything is exactly the same. This is a 170-inch wheelbase fan, so we have the same 14 feet of cargo length in the back. The width is exactly the same. The height is well over 6 feet tall, as you can see. Anything you've ever had in the back of a Sprinter before will fit in the back of the new eSprinter. So this is the interior of the new eSprinter. Very similar in many ways to the diesel version Sprinters. This one does have the larger 10.25-inch display. As you can see on the display at the moment, you can look at your battery charge level, you can monitor the flow. This van also comes with the Mercedes Me Connect app, which allows you to, again, monitor the status of the vehicle, but also do things like precondition it on a cold winter day. So before you get out in the van, you can have it preheated. Any Sprinter, seats are incredibly comfortable, the visibility is terrific. I'd invite you to come on in to Star Motors and take a test drive.